In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove animations from your slides quickly and completely. If your slides are moving, bouncing, or fading when you don't want them to, this walkthrough will help you reset everything back to clean, static content. We'll cover how to remove animations from an entire slide, from specific elements like text or photos, and how to clear everything in one quick sweep. First, let's remove a page animation, which affects the entire slide at once. Click on an empty area of the canvas so nothing is selected. This tells the editor you're working at the slide level. Now go to the top menu and click Animate. In the panel that opens, look for the Page Animation section and set it to None. That instantly removes any slide level entrance or transition effects. If you preview the slide now, it should appear immediately with no fade, pan, or zoom. Next, let's remove animations from individual elements such as text boxes, images, or shapes. Click the element that has the effect you want to remove. Go back to the top menu and choose Animate. This time, you'll be in the Element Animation section. Set it to None, and that specific item will stop animating. Repeat this for any other elements that still have bounce, fade, or slide effects. A quick check is to click each item and glance at the animation panel. If none is highlighted for element animations, you're all set for that object. When you need to clear everything fast, use the bulk method. Click outside the canvas to deselect anything first, then press Ctrl+A to select all elements on the slide. On a Mac, use Command+A. Open Animate and choose None. With all items selected, this removes their individual animations in one pass, which is much faster than cleaning up each element one by one. For completeness, also look at the Page Animations section in the same panel and confirm it's set to None so there's no leftover slide level motion. A few final tips. If you don't see the None option you expect, make sure you're in the correct section. Page animations for the whole slide, element animations for selected objects. After making changes, preview your slide to confirm everything is static. And remember, removing animations won't delete your content. It simply stops the motion. Apply these same steps to other slides for a consistent, professional look across your whole project.